Right, Jason?
Today's not a good day, Kev, is it?
But it's a trade-to-trade day.
Oh, is it?
Trade-to-trade day.
What's that mean?
Trade-to-trade. We're going to show you some vans that we're selling at trade price to the general public.
Okay.
So it's vans that we'd normally push through the trade.
Okay. Okay.
Or in auction or something like that, yeah.
Okay. Been busy. The sloop's gone.
Yep.
Let's go and have a look at the first one then.
First one's your old favourite, a little Romahome.
Little Romahome. 2009, I think it's done about 70,000 miles. Yeah.
It's the high-low, so you've got the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
You can beat the height barriers. It's an everyday drive. It's got 4 belted seats.
Yes, 4 belted seats.
4 belted seats. Can be used as 2 singles or a big double.
This is a type of van that I'd love to actually have, to be honest. To actually mint up. It wants to
potter about with
yeah.
you.
Now, what we have noticed is we've got the 2 singles. They'll make up into the doubles as well. We've got an Aberspatch hot water. We also think it's heating as well. Right? Onboard water tank.
2 burner hob with a grill. 3-way fridge.
Yeah.
Sink.
Yeah.
And we've even got, if you're taking short, it says a porta potty.
Yep. Check out all these vans on the motorhome.co website if you're looking at selling your van as well. WhatsAppers. You say it.
Never put any alcohol in that cup of tea you've just had, you know.
WhatsAppers. Yeah, WhatsAppers. Yeah, that's it. We're going to do this under 10 grand. Seen them on the internet, 2017, 20 grand. So nice little project for someone. They could chuck a couple of grand at it quite easily.
Got a crack in the back window there, which could be sorted.
And like I say, wants a bit of love on it, doesn't it,
yeah.
Kev? Right.
Get a piece of Perspex cut for that, you know.
Now, we can offer you a Volkswagen, but it's not a Volkswagen. But it looks like a Volkswagen, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And again, we'll do this. We'll do this under 10 grand as well.
Yep.
Yep. Again, we've done the videos on them as well, so there's full videos on all of them. But this one here, look at that nice colour.
Yep, Vauxhall Vivaro.
Yep. Got the pop top.
Yeah. Got a tailgate as well, instead of the barn doors.
Yeah. And then if you look inside, you just do this. I'll do the bed first because it's the easiest bed in the world to do.
Yeah.
What's that?
Look at that for an easy rock and roll bed.
How simple.
Yep.
Drops down and I'll just push it back up. Now this one has 2 burner hob, sink, compressor. We've even got a microwave in there as well.
Yep.
And show the front Kev there.
That seat will swivel, so you've got 2 belted seats there, belted driver seat, 2 belted, so you've got 5 belted seats.
What more can you ask for?
Yes, exactly.
Right.
And like we say,
turn that light off there, Kev, it's bugging me.
You say 10 grand?
Yeah, under 10 grand. Under 10 grand.
10 grand.
Yeah, and then if you have a look at the cab, nice cab's got aircon on there, Kev, as well.
£9,999p.
No, it might be even cheaper than that, to be honest.
Yeah. No,
So, I haven't decided yet, but we'll put them on. But just check out the website, they're there anyway.
Yeah.
Next one, I'm going to give you a family van, Kev.
Big family van.
2008, yeah. What do you think the mileage is on it?
I'd probably say 40 odd.
18,000 miles.
Oh.
Your acting's awful, Kev.
I knew that anyway, didn't I? Because we have done the full video on them.
Yeah. So it's 18,000 miles. It's done. Look at the decals on it.
Yeah.
And we'll do this one under 20 grand as well, I think.
Yeah. And this is 6 berth, 6 belted seats.
Yeah. So, quick look at the cab, Kev.
Kev's cab. And there we are, your typical transit cab. We've got 6-speed manual, aircon, radio CD player.
Yeah.
Microwave. 2 burner hob. Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got 2 burners. Yep.
2 burner hob.
2 burner hob.
Yeah. Oh, the 6 belts as well.
Yep. 2 rear facing belts.
You haven't seen one of them for a while, have you?
Massive king size double bed up there.
Yeah. Fridge.
3-way fridge.
One of your favourites, Kev. We've got down there.
Yeah, we've got gas fire.
Yeah.
We've got 2 bunk beds, which are ideal for kids, aren't they?
Perfect. Wardrobe at the back.
Got privacy there. Put the kids to bed. Pull the curtain across. You can sit and watch.
Now you might get your big A-class motorhomes.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And everything else. But nothing will have a bathroom like this. Look at that.
Look at that for a shower room. Eh? How big's that? I'll prove how big it is. I'll go and get in the shower. I'm saying fully closed though, because I'm going to put the shower on. Look at that.
Where are you, Kev? I can hardly see you.
Tonight, Matthew. That is a good sized washroom, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I like that.
Great starter van for family.
Yeah.
So again, you can spend a couple of grand on it as well.
Yep.
And you're not really going to lose any money on it, are you?
No.
So there you go. So what we'll do now is we'll whip over to the other side, and we've got 2 more vans for you, Kev.
Come on.
You ready? Let's go.
Yeah.
And this one is an Adrian Win camper van. It's just come in, so we're just giving it a clean off.
They did a twin as well, didn't they, with a fixed bed? I
Yeah.
remember them, yeah.
This is a 2004 with 40,000 miles. Yeah. 1 owner as well. What else? 3,500 kilograms. Loads of service history, mate. Basically 2005, 6, 7, 9, 11, 17, 14, 19, 23, 22, 24. That sounded like an auction van then, didn't I?
Oh, look what I've seen in the windscreen. Still got a touch disc.
Oh yeah.
How much was that then?
230.
230 quid.
2015. Yeah. Aye, it's a long time since I've seen one of them, Kevin, isn't it? Fresh water capacity.
I'll say 60 litres.
96. Anyway, so it's an Adrian Win, yeah, 40,000 miles, 1 owner. Again, we're going to do this as cheap. I'm just cleaning it out now. Bear with me, Kev, let me turn this off.
Right, so, oh, we have got a fixed bed, same as the twin. Yeah, so we've got a transverse fixed bed at the back. It's just
around the outside.
Oh, so yeah, we've got the same as the twin.
Yeah.
Because we've got a fixed bed at the back, transverse fixed bed. And looking at this table, Jason.
Yeah.
That's it, it's a 4-berth.
Yeah, because you've got the 2 here, haven't you?
Yeah. And we've got 4 belted seats.
Yeah. Like I say, we just said, what's the washroom like?
Oh, good sized washroom, look. It's a wet room, but I mean, for the size of the van, it's quite spacious, you know that, isn't it?
Isn't it?
It is in the process of being cleaned. But...
Hang on a minute. What's going on here? We've got no hobs or anything.
No, no sink. Oh, yes, we have.
Ah, we have.
So we've got 2 burner
That's a
hob.
good cleaning,
Yeah,
yes.
2 burner hob, sink.
Yeah. Where's the fridge?
Got to be in there.
Sink?
Integrate it, no.
No. No.
No. That would be a slim fridge if it was there, wouldn't it?
Where's the fridge? Oh, it's here.
Ah,
It's there.
3-way fridge.
Yeah.
3-way fridge. Storage down there in the floor.
Yeah.
2 storage. Yep.
Do you want to do the cab?
Your cab, your typical Fiat cab of the day. We've not got aircon in this. No, no aircon.
No.
We've got a radio. CD player, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. It's not in bad nick, you know, for the age, is it?
No.
2004.
No.
Actually, the external's quite good, isn't it? But there's good build quality Adria, aren't they?
Hey, oh, water treated.
Ah, okay.
It's got the ones where, as well, if the temperature drops.
Yeah.
So it's got the cut off. So this will turn on. Say.
It's turned into a nice van, won't it?
Yeah. Now we're going to move on to the last one.
Cassette toilet there.
This is the first one we did. This is the first one we did when we did them 3 a while back and we weren't prepared. This is the Autosleeper, number 44. So this one is going to be under the 20k mark.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you why in a second. It's done 59,000 miles, it's 2.2, 4 owners, loads of service history on this as well. We're a bit unprepared. What we have done is we have been and checked this off.
Right.
So there's only a little few bits and bobs have done. So we've checked it all off. It's got an MOT till, what, July-ish or something like that.
Yeah.
So we probably might put an MOT on it. Let's have a look.
It's a symbol, isn't it? The
It's a symbol,
yeah.
Autosleeper symbol. Now there's something special about this, if you remember from last time. We've got the awning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of changed out the
cover for it here, haven't we? Yeah, well, like they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, do you? So yeah, it's a rear kitchen.
Yeah. So 3 burner hob.
Yeah.
Yeah. Grill. Oven separate.
Separate oven grill.
Yeah. Look at that for a sink.
Yeah, it's a good sink with a drainer.
Somebody's left the spanner on. Where are we? Hab. Master. Yeah. Lights. See, everything's coming on.
Wardrobe.
Yeah.
Pedestal table there.
Yeah. Bring this in here. And then we've got the combined. I'm doing your job here, Kev.
Yeah.
Toilet.
With a drop down sink.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, hang on.
The other thing you've got as well with this, Jason.
Drop down.
Yeah.
What?
The other thing is you've got privacy.
Oh, I like that, Kev.
Swing that across there.
Yeah. Look at that goes round as well.
Yeah, that goes around there.
Yeah.
Right, so you've got a private changing room at the back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
I like that.
if you're using the shower, you can step out of the shower.
Yeah.
Obviously a towel down there or something, and you've got a nice bit of privacy.
Does that work? Yeah.
Yeah, 2 singles.
2 singles?
Yeah.
Or we could make a double.
Swivel your front seats, 2 singles, but it will make a double as well.
Yeah. Let me show you something. Are you ready for this? Look at this.
Oh, another bed.
Another bed.
Yeah.
See all the slats that come out to make the bed up?
So it makes a, yeah.
Yeah.
So you sleep 2 children up there.
Yeah. Drop this back.
How many belts have we got? I've only got 3 belts somewhere. Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, 3 belts.
Yeah.
And what a bonus that is, eh?
Yeah, that's different.
Isn't it?
I've not seen that in a symbol before. Made good use of that over cab area, haven't they?
Yeah, real good.
Yeah.
And obviously you've got your blinds and fly screens.
Yeah.
So you've got 5 vans there,
Yep.
all for the starter market. Yeah, probably want a couple of quid spending on them. Want a bit of,
what sort of price would this go at?
it's going to be under 20 grand. Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably about the 16 I would have thought. Just spotted there. Have a spatch heater.
Yeah.
As well. They've just come in, haven't they, these other vans, by the part exchanger. We brought them in. So you happen to be here, so we thought, like, let's get them filmed, just show everybody. Okay, if you're looking at buying motorhomes or selling your motorhome or camper van, let us know and we'll buy them. Well, yeah, we'll offer these out to the public, see if any of them want them. If not, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
They'll soon go through it, trade.
Yeah, but they're priced right. I love these about the Autosleeper, you know.
Yeah. Nice enough.
So yeah, don't worry about it at all. They're all priced right. All want a little bits and bobs doing here and there on them. You can go as far as you want, really, can't you? To be honest.
Yeah.
But the beauty of it is they're priced where, if you did spend the dough on them, and did them right,
You'd have a nice one.
You'd have a really nice van, and also you could probably have 2 or 3 years of using them
And make a return at the end of it.
and get your money back or whatever.
Get your money back or a bit of
Yeah,
profit.
couldn't you? So if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.
Yeah.